Hello viewer, let's see how to fix apps downloading problem on Google Play Store. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Now go to your app section. Now search Google Play Service. Go to Google Play Service. Scroll down. Click on Storage. Now clear cache data from Google Play Service. Now go back. Now go to Google Play Store. Scroll down. Go to Storage. Clear cache data from Google Play Store. Now go back to your home screen. Now check out your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable. Now go back. Now open your file manager and check your internal storage, because sometime internal storage running out can create app downloading problem on Google Play Store. So please free up your phone storage. Now go back. Now restart your phone and then reopen it. So if you follow this step, your apps downloading problem on Google Play Store will be solved.